Hey guys, welcome back to the second episode of The Rachel Effect. And today's podcast is going to be about things we all think about at 3 a.m. but never admit to because we're all trying to look so put together in front of society, which, spoiler alert, is close to impossible. Because ऐसे बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातों को बड़ी बड़ी बनाई जाती है. And today I really want to get personal. So sit back, relax and enjoy your flight. मैं सच्ची में बोल रही हूँ, जाके एक ग्लास पानी लेकर आ जाओ या एक बॉटल पानी बाजू में रख लो क्योंकि ये लंबा पॉडकास्ट होने वाला है. दिस इज अ स्टोरी दैट शेप्ड मी टू हु आई एम टुडे. See, a lot of you know me as Rachel Chatterjee, a Catholic cabin crew member. Wow, that was too much. But you all know I'm a Catholic cabin crew. I mean, a crew who's Catholic. But a lot of you don't know that I'm a mixed breed. हाँ जी, मेरी फैमिली में 3 अलग जेंडर से बोल रही थी, सॉरी, 3 अलग रिलीजन है. दैट इज बंगाली, चाइनीज एंड Nepali. My dad's side is Bengali and Chinese. My mom is Nepali. And that makes me Chinese, Bengali, Nepali. Yeah. But now a lot of you guys might be thinking, Rachel, Catholic? What do you mean? Catholic kaise hai? Kyunki my parents were strong believers and turned out that they were so strong of a believer that they ended up getting baptized and completely turning into a Catholic. And to be honest, faith wasn't just a label in my household. It was a living, breathing thing. Because when I was born, I was directly baptized. And let me tell you what I remember. Okay. So when I was 3 years old, the first ever moment with God was when I literally had no best friends, but only Him. I used to talk to Him, I used to write to Him, I used to pray to Him, I used to do everything with Him. From Him listening to every tiny little prayer that I had, to giving me my miracle baby, that is my little baby brother, Ronald. People who don't know who Ronald is, this is Ronald. This is my brother. I prayed for this guy because when I got to know, disclaimer, when my mother was pregnant, I thought that, oh my god, I don't want a baby girl because I don't want all the attention to go to the girl. I'm just kidding. I just wanted a baby brother because I really wanted to babysit a baby. And I really like babies. So I really wanted a little brother. Okay. So I used to pray like, go, gone and back. Okay. And I was in like 4th grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade. And that's when my little baby brother was born. So Ronald is basically a miracle baby to me. He is a baby that every sister would love to have. He is a child that, touch wood, is a blessing to someone's house. But here's a very twist and very bad turn of life. I started growing up. And growing up sets you apart. Because growing up doesn't mean कि भाई, oh, we're growing up, उम्र बढ़ रही है. उम्र नहीं बढ़ती, responsibilities आती है, chaos बढ़ता है दिमाग में, ओवर थिंकिंग होती है, ईगो बढ़ जाता है. When I started growing up, I started making friends who did not believe in God at all. I found atheists. I found people who used to speak shit about God. And at a point, life had put in me in the situation where I did not want to talk anything good about God because everything started to fall apart in my life. Which eventually got me to a point where I lost the GPS to Jesus's house. When I say I lost the GPS to Jesus's house, is I stopped praying, I stopped going to church. I used to not like talking about Him. I used to be so annoyed every part of the time. Like every time someone spoke to me about Jesus, I used to be like, I don't want to talk about it. He did not do me good. He doesn't want me. He doesn't like me. He hates me, is what I thought when I was a younger baby. But growing up, I physically and spiritually started putting myself forward to Jesus. And I eventually found my ways. I think the Satan took over me because life got louder, okay? And I got lost in my ego, in other people's opinions, and I had so much overthinking down the lane. And I know अ लॉट ऑफ अस फील द सेम, बिकॉज एक पॉइंट पे हम जब एकदम एकदम ऐसे वो खाई के सामने आ जाते हैं ना, तब हम बोलते हैं भगवान बचा लो, और भगवान उधर वेट कर रहे रहते हैं, बोलते कि तुम आओ बेटा, मैं हूँ इधर ही, देख लेंगे जो भी होगा, बस कुछ गलत मत करना, वापस आ जाओ, मेरे पास आ जाओ, इज़ वॉट गॉड सेज. When life throws us off course, okay, that's when fate tests us to a point, to a point where it literally tears us apart, it breaks us open, but it also wakes us up. You know, it tells you wake up, and it's the quiet moments, you know, like the little moments that you have when we feel like, yeah, wait, these moments when we feel like we are nobody. And why is God calling us back? God makes you realize He doesn't shout, okay? He doesn't shout, He calls for you. He makes you want to need Him. And you eventually just run back to God. I ran back to God because, yeah, I just ran back to Him because life really got messy. और देखो, जब जिंदगी में ना सब उलझन भरा जैसा होता है, लाइक उलझन भरा होता है, लाइक यू नो, फुल मेसी, फुल वाट लगा देगा वाला लाइफ होता है ना, तब इट्स नॉट अबाउट नॉट हैविंग ऑल द आंसर्स, इट्स about trusting that even the most confusing part of you and the most chaotic times that you have ever experienced, God is guiding you home. And for me, the faith plays a big part because I lost my faith, He got it back. I lost hope, He got it back. So I'm always saying, end of the story, I want to say that, you know, believe in Jesus. I mean, believe in your God. Pray to God. Put God first. And trust me, things will align for you. Because things aligned for me. Look who I am today, how I am doing. It's all His work. Genuinely speaking, all His work. I am a nobody. I am nothing without Him. So, let me end the second episode by saying thank you so much for listening to me today. I hope something might have gotten close to your heart. There might be some kind of hope that you wanted from my end, and I was able to provide for you. Because if I'm humble today, it's because of Him. If I'm kind today, it's because of Him. If I'm able to guide you today, if I'm on your phone, and if you're listening to me today, it's because of Him. He wants to reach out to you, and I'd really appreciate you guys reaching out back to Him. And yeah, whether you believe it or not, I hope you're finding something that gives you peace, that helps you find yourself. Well, this was the Racial Effect. If she talks, you listen, we grow together. We question, we learn, we do everything messy, and we live just the way we effing want to, okay? So yeah, I love you, my munchkins. Take care. बाय. बताना सबको भगवान से प्यार करने आना चाहिए जैसे तुम अपने परिवार से प्यार करते हो, ठीक है? बाय.